Vidura College, Grade 2, English. Let's spell. Step 8. Hello children, how are you? I believe you all are doing perfectly fine. Today you are going to do the Let's Spell Step 8. Now everyone take your Let's Spell book and turn to page number 28. Okay, let's start. Words with letter OA. Today our lesson is how to pronounce when letter O and A together. Okay. If letter O and A together, the sound is O. See this picture? What is that? Yes, it's a boat. Move to the next picture. What is there? There is a goat on the road. Can you see? I have highlighted two words there. Goat and road. See? In both words you can find letter O and A together. Listen carefully. Hear the sound. Goat. Road. Can you hear? The sound is O. When letter O and A together, the sound is O. Shall we read some well-known words with letters O and A? Okay, I will read for you. You have to follow me. Road, load, coat, soap, loaf, float, throat, oats. Shall we read it again? Road, load, coat, soap, loaf, float, throat, oats. Now see whether you can fill the following blanks by using given words in the box. Okay, first of all, I'll read those words in the box for you. Listen carefully. Float, loaf, throat, coats, soap, loads. Okay, then shall we start? The first sentence is, my father can eat a blank of bread. You have to find the suitable word out of the words given in the box. Float, loaf, throat, coats, soap, loaves. Yes, very good. The answer is loaf. So our sentence is, my father can eat a loaf of bread. Move to the second sentence. We use blank to clean ourselves. What are we using to clean ourselves? See, float, throat, coats, soap, loads are the given words. Yes, the answer is soap. So, the sentence will be, we use soap to clean ourselves. Go to the third sentence. Last week, I didn't come to school because I had a sore blank. Now the remaining words are float, throat, coats and loads. What is the most suitable word? Yes, of course, it should be throat. So the sentence is, last week I didn't come to school because I had a sore throat. Fourth sentence. Donkeys are used to carry what? Donkeys are used to carry blank. Now see the remaining words. Float, coats and loads. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is loads. Donkeys are used to carry loads. Move to the fifth sentence. We wear blank during the winter season. The climate is very cold. So, what we are wearing in winter season? Only two words are remaining. Float and coats. Very good. It should be coats. We wear coats during the winter season. Now we have come to the last sentence, sixth sentence, and only one word is remaining. What is that? Float. So that is the word we have to use in this sentence. The sentence is, the leaves float in water. The leaves float in water. Okay, shall we do another interesting activity? I know you like to do this. It's a puzzle. We are going to fill the puzzle. Now, I will give you some hints. With the hint and the words what you have already learnt, you can find the answer. Shall we start? Okay. The first one, it's in downward. One down. A dress worn in winter. This is a dress worn in winter. And how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. For this word, there are 4 letters. What is that? Yes, it's a coat. It's a coat. Now we'll see what is 2 across. I'll give you the hint. 2 across. We use these to row. We use these to row. Can you guess? Well done. It's boat. Yes, we use these to row. What we are using to row? Boats. Very good. Now, 3 down. Listen to the hint. 3 down. We use this to clean ourselves. We use this to clean ourselves. What is that? Yes, it's soap. It's soap. Now, 4 across. What is this? We'll see. We'll see the hint. We may take this for breakfast. It's a food. It's a food that we are taking for our breakfast. And remember the words we have learnt already. We'll see how many letters for that word. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-letter word. It's a food and we are using that for our breakfast. Very good. It's oats. Oats. Only one is remaining. Only one is remaining. What is that? 5 down. 5 down. It's donkeys carry this. What is that? Donkeys carry this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this word, there are 5 letters in this word. There are 5 letters. Donkeys carry this. What is that? Well done. Loads. Loads is the answer. Now we have completed the puzzle. You have done a great job. I will give you another set of words with the same sound and pronounce them for you. You have to follow me and read them loudly after I did. Toast, coal, coast, board, foam, loan, boast. Okay, read it again. Toast, coal, coast, board, foam, loan, boast. Shall we sing a nice rhyme? Look at the following poem. I know all of you have heard a very famous nursery rhyme, Row, row, row your boat. I have done slight changes to that because I want to introduce 2 words to you. I'll sing this for you, then we will sing together. Ready? Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Verily, 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 floating in the stream. Okay, let's sing. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Verily, 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 floating in the stream. Now, look at the rhyme. There, I had highlighted 2 words in red color. What is that? Boat and float. See, boat and float. In both words, you can see letter O and A together. And here, listen carefully. Boat. When letter O and A together, sound is O. Likewise, float. There also the sound is O because O and A letters are together. Now you know very well how to pronounce when letter O and A together. Letter OA, the sound is O. Take out your Let's Spell activity book and do the activities on page number 29 and 30. Also, you can find some more words with the same sound. Now it's the time to say bye. Hope to see you all once again with a new Let's Spell lesson. Then till we meet, stay safe. Thank you.